Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with proper preparation. In this video, I will explain how to iron a Kanjivaram saree. Always check the saree's care label first for any specific instructions. Make sure your iron is perfectly clean to avoid transferring any marks onto the delicate fabric. Lay a thick, clean cotton cloth on your ironing board. This provides a protective layer for your saree. This careful setup is crucial for a smooth and safe ironing process. Now let's get to the ironing. Set your iron to a low or medium heat, never too high, as Kanjivaram silk is delicate. Always use a pressing cloth, like a thin cotton sheet, placed directly over the saree. This protects the silk from direct heat and prevents scorching. Iron in small, manageable sections, moving the iron smoothly and evenly. Avoid lingering in one spot to prevent heat damage. Kanjivaram sarees often have intricate borders and pleats that need special attention. When ironing the borders, be extra careful. It's best to iron them from the reverse side or use a very thick pressing cloth. For pleats, gently press them into shape one by one, ensuring they lie flat. If you encounter stubborn creases, use steam very sparingly, holding the iron slightly above the fabric, or consider a steamer instead. Once ironed, let your beautiful Kanjivaram saree cool down completely on a flat surface before you even think about folding it. This helps set the fabric and prevents new creases. Then, fold it neatly along its original creases to maintain its shape and drape. For long-term storage, consider hanging it or wrapping it in a soft cotton cloth. And hey, for a different kind of smooth finish, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.